Is this the god tier of storage? TerraMaster D8 Hybrid is an absolute unit. Too much power? Let's be real, juggling files between clunky HDDs, overheating SSDs, and 5 different backup apps is brain-frying. You've got creative chaos on one side, deadline doom on the other, and your so-called storage solution is just flailing. You waste hours plugging, unplugging, babysitting drives, and still live in fear of the dreaded data wipeout. Sound familiar? It's not that you're unorganized, it's that your gear is holding you hostage. Whether you're editing 4K video, running VMs, or just hoarding every byte of your digital empire, your storage setup shouldn't feel like a trap. You need speed, space, and a serious glow-up. But instead, it's a never-ending grind. Transfer speeds crawling at turtle pace. Your drives heating up like they're prepping for launch. Constant swaps. Confusing RAID settings. And backup solutions that only work when Mercury's in retrograde. You're juggling projects, fighting burnout, praying for one clean workflow, and instead, you're buried in cables and corrupted files. Missed opportunities pile up like temp folders. Deadlines loom like a horror film soundtrack. Meanwhile, you're stuck in storage limbo while your creative energy drips away. This isn't just annoying, it's a full-blown tech crisis. Enter the TerraMaster D8 Hybrid, the first of its kind in the galaxy of USB storage beasts. This isn't just another Enclosure. It's an 8-bay hybrid monster that blends for SATA HDD or SSDs with 4 NVMe M.2 SSDs, giving you up to 128 terabytes of gloriously organized, lightning-fast storage. USB 3.2 Gen 2 lets your files fly at up to 980 megabytes per second, and that exclusive 2+6 RAID mode? Chef's kiss. Tool-free drive swaps. Push-lock trays that snap with authority. An AI smart fan system that whispers instead of whines. It's like strapping a warp drive to your workflow. And yes, it looks cool too. With the D8 Hybrid, your backups become brainless. TerraMaster's built-in TPC backupper helps you automate everything. Cold data gets buried in the massive HDD vault, while your hot files blaze across the NVMe speedway. No more hunting for that one file. No more accidental wipes. You get quiet, stable, thermally balanced performance whether you're editing on set, working from home, or building a private data center in your garage. And the setup? As easy as drag, drop, done. Your new creative command center is one click away. Don't let this power rig slip through your fingers. The D8 Hybrid's flying off digital shelves for a reason. It's literally rewriting the rules of external storage. No more stress, no more spinning wheels, no more compromise. Whether you're a creator, gamer, developer, or digital hoarder, you deserve storage that can keep up. Join thousands who've already made the jump. Say goodbye to tech tantrums and hello to file freedom. Smash that link, grab yours now, and upgrade your setup from chaos to command. Your digital life just found its soulmate.